Hello children, today we'll start a new topic which is called profit and loss. And in our daily life, we buy various products from the market. Shopkeepers sells the product to us, but do you know all of them do not manufacture them? They buy the product from the manufacturer and sell them to us. In this way, he earns some money. Let me explain it to you through an example of a stationery shop owner who keeps pens, books, notebook, etc. of different companies. Actually, he buys these things from the company and sell them to us. To study in detail, we have to understand some important terms. The price or the money paid by the shopkeeper to buy the good or the products from the manufacturer is called cost price. We normally write in short form cost price as CP. Now, the price at which shopkeeper sells the good to us is known as selling price. Short form is selling price, SP. Now, when selling price is more than the cost price, the shopkeeper earns a profit. Therefore, profit or the gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Thus, P is equal to SP minus CP. When selling price is lower than the cost price, then the shopkeeper incurred a loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Thus, L is equal to CP minus cost SP. Now, children, let me solve few textual questions from your book to understand this in better way. Exercise 10.1. Find the profit or the loss when CP is rupees 665 and selling price is rupees 765. So, cost price is given rupees 665 and selling price is given rupees 765. Here, selling price is more than the cost price. So, it is a profit. P is equal to SP minus CP. So, which is equal to rupees 100. Thus, profit is equal to rupees 100. One more example. When Prerna bought a coat for rupees 9,775 and sold it for rupees 12,950. Find the gain or the loss. So firstly, let's write the statement. Amount paid by the Prerna to buy the coat rupees 9,775. Amount at which Prerna sold the coat rupees 12,950. So we got selling price is equal to rupees 12,950 and cost price is equal to rupees 9,775. As selling price is higher than the cost price, here profit is incurred. Thus P is equal to SP minus CP, which is equal to rupees 3,175. Therefore, Prerna earns a profit of rupees 3,175. Further, let's see to find the cost price or the selling price when profit is given. As we know, selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So formula here is CP is equal to cost price or selling price is equal to profit plus cost price, and cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. When to find cost price or selling price when loss is given, as we know, cost price minus selling price is equal to loss, which we understand earlier. Formula is CP is equal to L plus SP, means cost price is equal to loss plus selling price and selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, now let's some questions to solve to understand it in a better way. Find the cost price when selling price is equal to rupees 1200 and profit is equal to rupees 150. Selling price is given rupees 1200 and profit is given rupees 150. To find cost price, we have to subtract the profit from the selling price. Therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 1200 minus rupees 150, which is equal to 1050. Thus, cost price is equal to rupees 1050. Now remember, first is P is equal to SP minus cost price. Second, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Third, selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. Fourth, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Fifth, cost price is equal to loss plus selling price. Sixth is selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Now, kids, practice some more problems on your own. Thank you, students, and bye-bye.